Hi, today I am going to teach you how to make flapping bird. First, you have to fold the paper diagonally so it meets up with this line. And make a crease. Right now we're making the paper square. I'm going to take this flap, fold it so it goes straight to this line. I just run my fingernail across it to make it easier to rip. Fold it back that line. Now we're gonna tear it. Just make a little rip and pull on it. And throw that excess paper away. Sorry. Now, you're gonna leave that crease. Don't try to make it not there. You're going to fold it the other way, diagonally. Line up the edges, make a really good crease. Now we're going to fold it in half both ways. This way. Open it up, fold it this way again. We're going to push this edge inwards toward it. So we're going to make an inside out fold. And there. We're going to do the same with the other side. You're gonna have to make a crease down the center line and around the edges. There's that. Now you're going to fold this in to make a kite. You're gonna do that with the rest. You're gonna fold this to the center line, and I'm going to do that with the other 3 remaining flaps. Turn it around. Now we're going to unfold these don't unfold the back ones yet, and fold them backwards, just to make this next fold just a little bit advanced, easier. Unfold those, fold them back to their place, turn it around and do the same. Oh, I already did it then. Do the same with the other side. Unfold it. And now you're going to unfold everything. Now, you'll have something that looks like this. You're going to keep these down, lift this up, and then folds that you just folded shall pull in towards the middle. And push it in. Like that. You can do that with the back. Now that we have this, we're going to open it up that and fold this as far as it will go up. Make a crease. Do the same with the other side. Open it up, fold it up, make a crease. Now that we have this, fold back inwards. Right now we are going to make the head of our flapping bird. We're going to take this inward and fold it so it's just about the same length. So with this part right here, this part is lined up with it. You're gonna take, right now we're making the head, we're gonna fold it in and down. You're gonna do the same with this, except we're not going to fold it down. Just gonna leave it as it is. Now the wings. This is very important. You have to get this correct to make it flap. You're gonna fold it downwards so it lines up with the neck. And as far as it will go here. Make a crease. Now you can just line up the other wing with it. Unfold it. The way you make it flap is you pull on the tail up and now you got your bird. Cool. If you want to make it stand, just pull